In this demonstration, I'm going to use an architectural plan or a building layout, and I'm going to use some of the raster editing commands to edit the scanned image and revise it. If I zoom into this part of the drawing here, you can see that I have various rooms, and if I wanted to knock this wall down and make these two rooms into one, then on the original you'd either have to redraw it in CAD, or redraw some of the image and then paste it on top. But with raster CAD I can do that by simply using some of the raster editing commands. So the first thing I want to do is erase the walls. So I use the erase raster command and I select the line option, and then all I do is I just draw over the line that I want to erase from the drawing. So I've selected the two walls. I then change it to window because I want to cut out the doorway, and I also want to take away the old room number. So they're all my three items that I want to remove from the drawing. When I'm happy, I hit return and they're erased. I can then move items around in the drawing, so I can say move raster, and I can select the room name and number that I want to move. So I draw a box around it so it's highlighted, hit return because I don't want to choose any more, and then I say right, I want to move it from here to here, so it's moved. I can also repair the broken lines as well in the drawing, so I can use this command called change line. And what I do is I say, right, I'm going to pick a line from here to here and I want to stretch it across to here. It takes the average thickness of the line and then stretches it across. So I want to use that line and I want to bring it across to there, and that line across to there. So now I've repaired my three lines for the external wall, and because I've knocked two rooms into one, then I want to change the room number so it reflects the old room number as well. So I can use this change text command. I select an insertion point, and then I select the angle of the text, or the baseline for the text, which is 0 degrees, and then I just draw a box around the text to highlight it because that's what I want to edit. I don't want to pick any more, so I hit return, and then I'll just say this is the height of the text, so I just move the cursor above the text to the height. It's now opened up the text editor, so I type in my new text that I want to appear on the drawing, and when I'm happy, hit return, and then it'll add the text into the drawing. So what I've done there is edit the plan to say this is my new drawing and this is what I want the new room to look like.